Have you ever wondered if a girl has secret feelings for you? We will uncover 5 hidden signs indicating when a woman is secretly attracted to you. So get ready to unveil the mysteries of attraction. Sign 1. Long conversations. Notice if she frequently seeks opportunities to engage in lengthy conversations with you. If she invests her time and attention to keep the dialogue flowing, it could be a sign that she is secretly attracted to you. Sign 2. Body language mirroring. Pay close attention to her non-verbal cues. Does she unconsciously mimic your gestures, posture, or facial expressions? Mirroring is a subtle way of building rapport and could indicate that she is secretly drawn to you. Sign 3. Increased contact. Take note if she initiates contact more often than before, whether it's through calls, texts, or social media. This heightened communication can signify her desire to maintain a connection with you. Sign 4. Genuine interest in your life. Observe as she displays a genuine interest in your life. Does she remember details about your conversations? Does she ask follow-up questions about your hobbies, goals, or aspirations? This level of attentiveness often indicates that she is secretly attracted to you. Sign 5. Playful teasing. Pay close attention to whether she engages in light-hearted banter with you. Playful teasing serves as a means to foster a stronger bond and explore the realm of attraction. If she genuinely enjoys teasing you in a light-hearted manner, it could very well indicate that she's harboring secret feelings for you. And that concludes our exploration of the 5 hidden signs that she's secretly attracted to you. Remember, deciphering someone's feelings can be challenging, but by paying attention to these subtle indicators, you may better understand her true emotions. If you like the video, then do like, share, and subscribe, folks. Thank you for watching.